Hi, in this video we're going to go over the subtraction of three-digit numbers in mental math. First, let's solve the problem 804 minus 498. Let's pretend we have two piles of balls. 804 balls here and 498 balls here. Now, we realize that 498 is awfully close to a number that is really easy to subtract, which is 500. We can make this 500, right? By adding two balls to this pile. If we add two balls to this pile, though, we're being really unfair by giving two balls to this pile and not giving any balls to this pile. So to this pile, we also need to add two balls, which means we get 806 balls for this pile. So our subtraction problem becomes 806 minus 500, which is a mildly easier problem than 804 minus 498. We get 806 minus 500 is equal to 306, which is the same answer as what you would get if you subtracted 498 from 804. Let's try a next one. Let's do 426 minus 297. If we add three balls to this pile, right, we get 300. If we add three balls to this pile, we get 429. 429 minus 300 is 129. Let's go over one more. 812 minus 479. This one is a little bit more complex because you need to add more in order to get to a nice number. You add 21 to 479 and you add 21 to 812. You get 833 minus 500, which means 833 minus 500 is equal to 333, which is the correct answer. Now is a good time to pause the video and try the next one on your own. Now let's go over the solution for 833 minus 294. If we add 6 to both piles, then we'll get 839 minus 300, which means 539 is the answer we receive. If you got 539, good job to you. You should also try this next one because it's a little more complicated and it will get you used to solving more complex problems this way. Now let's solve this question. 366 plus 34 will get you to a nice easy number, which is 400. Adding 34 to this side as well, we get 521. So the correct answer is 121. Thank you for watching this video.